हजार राहों से एक राह को छूकर वो चले थे। अरमानों के पुल बांधते नई मंजिलों को ढूंढे थे। अपने साथ साथ वो कई ख्वाब लेकर निकल पड़े थे।
One vision that inspired many a new visions. One dream that motivated many a new dreams. One person, one human being, one believer. Sheikh Fakhruddin Sheikh Tahir Bhai Khorakiwala. Not just a name, but a philosophy. His journey began with a dream to create an identity and set new benchmarks that redefined the sphere of business in its entirety. A keen follower of Gandhiji who believed in spreading peace. A freedom fighter who defied the British rule. A representative of a community who dedicated himself towards the well-being of humanity.
जिंदगी को कई लम्हों के आशियाने से सजाया था, जहां पहले से लिखा कुछ भी नहीं था, फिर भी रखकर हाथ दिल पर वो आने वाले हर पल की उम्मीद में आंखें बिछाए बैठे रहते।
A life so beautiful. A personality so blessed. Born in Ahmedabad and having spent his childhood in Palanpur, at the tender age of 6, the mentor moved to the city of dreams, Bombay, now known as Mumbai, and became a permanent citizen to create new possibilities. Driven by confidence and guided by faith, Fakhruddin Khorakiwala always derived strength from his biggest learnings. Do what is right and don't let consequences stop you. Never accept no for an answer. The legend got the blessings of Aka Molla and continued being a winner till his last breath.
एक सुबह एक मोड़ पर मैंने कहा, थोड़ा रुक कर, हाथ बढ़ा ए जिंदगी, चल आंख मिलाकर बात कर।
Fakhruddin's conviction led to the establishment of Akbar Ali's in 1956, making it the most reputed multi-brand chain of departmental stores. The brand Akbar Ali's definitely carved a niche in Mumbai's history pages, ensuring quality with fair prices and touching many lives. Akbar Ali's transformed retailing in 60s and 70s.
गुलाम वो बने रहे आका मौला का, निभाते साथ चले गए वो इंसानियत का।
Amazed by Aka Molla's alertness and compassion, he felt turning to the spiritual father was almost a reflex action for thousands of mu'mineens. Equally gifted he felt because of Aka Molla always being accessible in times of need and to bless all good deeds.
तुमसे मिली जो जिंदगी हमने अभी बोई नहीं, तुम्हारे सिवा कोई न था, तुम्हारे सिवा कोई नहीं।
Fakhruddin Khorakiwala always believed marriage to be a lifetime partnership. He always believed that in India, one is not just married to his or her spouse, but to his or her entire family. Both he and his wife believed that understanding is the strongest foundation of a happy and successful marriage.
ये कारवां यूं ही न कटता अगर मुस्कुराहटों का साथ ना होता। ये नगमा यूं ही न बनता अगर जज्बातों का साथ ना होता।
Family is where his heart was and continued to be so till the last day of his life. Fakhruddin Khorakiwala always considered his father a tower of strength, his mother a symbol of care and concern, his sisters the ambassadors of love, and his brothers the most supportive.
मैं अक्सर मुड़कर देखता था। नजर आते थे कदमों के कुछ निशान। जब चलना शुरू किया था तो सिर्फ मेरे कदमों के निशान थे। जब चलकर आगे बढ़ता गया तो कई और कदमों के निशान नजर आने लगे थे।
Fakhruddin Khorakiwala always considered his three sons, Dr. Habil, Hunaid, and Taizoon, very special. In his own words, he had described them beautifully. Habil dares to experiment a lot. Hunaid is ethical and gets things done logically. Taizoon is never afraid of doing new things. One could not take eyes off the prideful bliss on Fakhruddin Khorakiwala's face when he saw progress of Dr. Habil Khorakiwala's pharmaceutical and healthcare business, making Wockhardt truly a global organization. As for Hunaid, his participation in Akbar Ali's business greatly satisfied the father. And Taizoon's international business of bakery products, combined with diversification in other varied businesses, made him feel on the top of the world.
तुम्हारे ख्वाबों में मैंने अपने ख्वाब को उभरते देखा। तुम्हारी खुशियों में मैंने अपने खुशियों को झूमते देखा।
Habil recollects, during my college days, at one instance, when I did something wrong, Papa's advice got imbibed in me. He said, it requires great courage to know one's mistake, and even greater courage to admit it. Habil adds, this single line became a value dynamic with me. Hunaid expresses, Papa thrived on crisis. He had the privilege of being taught one-on-one by Sayyidi Muqasir Sahib. Taizoon concludes, Papa was a symbol of courage, energy, respect, promotion of education and pride in all his multiple identities.
आसरा था तुम्हारी खुशियों का, जो बन गई सारी कायनात की खुशी।
Be it his sisters, his daughter-in-laws, or his grandchildren, for them, Fakhruddin Khorakiwala was a man of ideas, who never rested but continued conquering new milestones.
ये जिंदगी खूबसूरत है, जरूरत है तो अमन की। हाथ से हाथ और कदम से कदम जब मिलकर बढ़ें, तो ये जिंदगी और भी खूबसूरत बन गई।
Fearless as he was and with full of new ideas, when communal riots broke out during 1993, as a sheriff of Bombay, now Mumbai, he organized an unbroken human chain of 100 kilometers. He also introduced the concept of Mohalla Committee for communal harmony, which emerged successful and relevant. Fakhruddin Khorakiwala always believed in fairness to the customers. He founded Council for Fair Business Practices and was also the president of the council.
तलाशते थे हम चंद लम्हों में कुछ हसीन लम्हों को, कोशिश करते आगे बढ़ते गए, मुट्ठी में कर लिया था हमने दुनिया को।
He was a man who celebrated life with a big heart. Even his final goodbye was marked with a signature smile of being content. As he departed, he left behind a long trail of milestones that he had achieved. And at the same time, he left behind his treasure of wisdom for the coming generations to achieve more. All he wished was to be remembered a man with a zest for life, and for whom, in impossibilities, lay hidden the beginning of new possibilities.
हर मुकाम पर आकर फिर से नए मुकाम को ढूंढते थे। थोड़ा सा रुककर वो जन्नत की ओर चले गए। एक रहमदिल इंसान जिन्होंने मुस्कुराते हुए जिंदगी को गले लगाया था, वो रुखसत भी हुए जिंदगी से तुम मुस्कुराते हुए, और जाते जाते पीछे छोड़ गए खुशियों से भरा मोहब्बत का नगमा आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए।